So welcome to my class, and in this I'm going to make a distinction between firm and an industry. So an industry is a price maker and a firm is a price taker. That is basically we are going to differentiate between the two. So we are continuing on with perfect competition, and in that we're going to talk about how a single firm is a price taker. But before that, let me just explain to you what is a firm and what is an industry. Just have a look at this. Now look at this. What is this? Now a firm is a single unit of production which produces goods and services for sale. Its main objective is to earn profits. And what is an industry? An industry is an aggregate of all the firms producing the same product. So in this, I've just given you an example of so many firms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 firms. And I've talked about firm soap A, soap B, soap C, soap D, whatever. They're generic. We don't even say one soap and two soap, firm two soap. It's just a generic soap is being produced by these firms. And the total of all is known as soap industry. I hope I've made myself clear. You can talk about any industry for that matter. It could be the shoe industry, it could be the gold industry, it could be the ornaments industry, it could be the wheat, anything you're talking about, one product. So there are various firms who are producing these commodities, but in total it's known as industry. So basically industry is a price maker and the firm is a price taker. So that's what we're going to discuss here, and this is how you will see we've done demand and supply, market demand and market supply. Based on that we will explain this. So a firm is a price taker and industry is a price maker. In other words, an individual firm cannot influence the market price. It has no control over the market supply and hence no control over the price. It is the industry, that is market, which determines the market price through the market forces of market demand and market supply. So this is how the prices are determined in the market, as you see. Okay, now look at the figure. Price of commodity OP is being determined by demand and supply forces at point E, that is market demand and market supply forces. So industry is the price maker. This determined price OP is accepted by each firm working in the industry and adjusts its output accordingly. So what every firm gets is, with a price given, AR is equal to MR, and we've done in the producer's equilibrium, wherever each firm's average cost curve, the marginal cost curve. So marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, where it cuts from below. That will be the amount of output that it produces. But anyways, we don't have to think about that. Just remember one thing, that this determined price OP is accepted by each firm working in the industry and it adjusts its output accordingly. So the firm is a price taker. He has to work with that price and he'll decide how many units he's going to sell on that. So because the demand is at this price, he can sell any amount of units, and on this price any amount is demanded in the market. So a perfectly competitive firm cannot alter the price, but it can produce and sell any quantity of output, and hence for a firm price is given. And that is why we often say that the firm is a price taker. So you can get a question as, what do you mean by a price taker? Or if I say true or false, industry is a price taker. No, it's wrong. The industry is the price maker.